Hello dear friends, 10 things to do after installing Linux. On this video I want to talk about this. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Then let's start the video. The first one is update and upgrade. You can use command sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get upgrade, sudo apt-get dist upgrade. By these three commands you can make your Linux fully updated. Number 2 is create a restore point. Now after making your Linux update, it's the best time to create a restore point, and you can use Timeshift, Systemback or Snapper applications. Number 3, add repository. If you are using a Debian based Linux, it's better to add Debian repository to your Linux, and you can install all of the applications. Number 4, set up a firewall. Firewall is for your security, and make sure you have a firewall on your system. Number 5, install a snap or flatpack. These are two software center that you can easily install any software from these two stores. Number 6, install useful software. The first application everybody needs is a Internet Download Manager. You can install XDM. Also you can install your favorite browser, messaging like Skype and others. Number 7, install Wine. Wine is a Windows layer that you can run a Windows application on your Linux. Number 8, speed up Linux. You can manage a startup application, install preload or decrease swap uses. These are three important things for speed up your Linux. Number 9, set up a VPN. Using a VPN to connect to internet, it can make your internet secure. Number 10, set up cloud storage. If you use online storage, it's better to set up it in here. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if this video was helpful and watch the other videos.